Hello my beautiful and amazing friends, you're all welcome back to Queen Varieties channel. I hope you all are doing great. Yes, today's episode I'm going to share a fantastic recipe with you, a combo that you're going to love. We are making the Ayamase Ofada or the designer stew, and here I'll be pairing with rice and beans. Guys, this combo is absolutely delicious. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, share my video with your friends and loved ones. Turn on your bell notifications for instant prompts each time I upload. On my work surface, you can see the basic ingredients required for this recipe. These items are of utmost importance if you want to make this dish. You will need green peppers of different kinds and species, and here I've gone ahead to prep every one of them. And now I will include some chili peppers of different kinds, the big and small ones, and also some scotch bonnet pepper and garlic. So drizzle a little bit of salt and oil to that. I'm also using a lot of onions for this recipe. It's very important. Mix everything to combine, transfer to your oven and roast it in your highest settings for exactly 20-25 minutes or thereabout until you have this appearance right here. Okay folks, in case you don't want to go through the method of roasting, you can just blend everything and sieve out the liquid. The roasting method helps the liquid to dry completely. I'm going to place every item into my food processor and coarsely blend it. Next, I will include some quantity of palm oil and vegetable oil. This will help us to prevent the bleaching process for health reasons. Gone ahead also to include all the items that was processed. Okay, I covered the pot just to avoid splatter. Yes, so now I'll open it and stir it very well. You can see the appearance. Now the roasting method is going to give this stew that incredible delicious taste. I'll cover and fry this for exactly 10 to 15 good minutes. 15 minutes later, I'll open up the pot and add 1.5 tablespoons of all-purpose spices, and then a pair of seasoning cube and 1 tablespoon of locust beans. At the same time, I will include some crayfish powder. I am using precisely the dry fish powder. Okay, yes, I've went ahead to make some dry fish. I will incorporate that for around 2 minutes and then bring in the chief ingredient, which is my more goat meat stock. It's going to help enhance flavor. I'll cover the pot now and cook for extra 10 minutes on medium setting. 10 minutes later, I'll then open up the pot. The oil you're seeing on top is an indication that this stew is ready. At the same time, the color have changed. I'll go ahead and now introduce my goat meat, which is already grilled off camera, so it is cooked and grilled. Next, I'll drop in the omo, which is also cooked. I'll then introduce salt. Remember, we've not added salt because we use salt to roast our vegetables. Now I'll add the remaining portion of the dry fish or the crayfish, and then lots of eggs, because for my family it's a big one, so at least every individual should enjoy 2 boiled eggs. I'll mix and combine everything appropriately. Guys, tell me your throat is not popping and I'll ask you, are you sure you're watching this video? Okay, I went ahead to prepare my rice and beans off camera. Yes, just boil it and set it aside. I guess everybody know how to boil that. At the same time, I'm going to enjoy the dish with some plantain, so I'll just drop it into the oil, which is already preheated, and fry on medium settings. Okay, when you're frying your plantains, use medium settings. 15 minutes later on low heat, I am back. Guys, take a good look at this stew. Just take a good look at that appearance. The oil is popping. At this point in time, if you want to scoop out the oil, please feel free to do whatsoever you prefer. But guys, trust me, don't be tempted to scoop off that oil, because that oil is where the temptation lies. It tastes so good. That oil, God, we ate and we ate. So you can actually make this stew without bleaching. So the stew is ready. I will set it off. Around 5 minutes later, I came back to check the plantains. It is now ready. You don't want it to get super browned, okay? So I will set it off and then keep frying until everything is ready. Okay, my gorgeous viewers, so here we have come to the end of today's recipe. Everything is ready. I'm now going ahead to serve. Guys, take a good look at the appearance of this stew and tell me your appetite is not doing you, Timbuktu. Guys, oh my goodness, this stew is so delicious. Any day, anytime. Okay, yes, so thank you all so much for spending time with me. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Remember, variety is the spice of life. I know I have not been uploading so much, but trust me, I'm trying my best to get back to you all. God bless you. Until I come your way next time, stay blessed and love, and also don't forget to share this video with your friends and loved ones.